how to change your wallpaper on the Apple Watch. So here I have my iPhone as well as Apple Watch. So we'll try two methods. We'll change the watch face and also create a watch face from our own custom photo. So the first part, let's go to the watch face and try to change it. On my iPhone, I go to the watch application and then go to face gallery on the bottom. So in face gallery, we have multiple watch faces that we can use. So let's say, for example, I like this one. I can customize it a little bit. I can change the colors, which is very handy. So again, you can customize it, music, battery, date, and all that. I'm going to leave it be. Once I have customized it, here you can see I have an option to add. Click on add, and then it's sending it to my Apple Watch. So here you can see instantaneously the watch face has changed, right? So that is one method. Let's see the other method. For that, we are going to use the Photos app on the Apple Watch. But before that, you want to make sure, again, go to the watch application, scroll down till you see Photos. And in Photos, here you can see you have an option to select what you want to actually sync on the Apple Watch. So I'm going to select sync album, and I'm going to select recents, or whichever album that you want to actually sync. If you've created a custom one, that should also pop up right over there. So now that we are done on that, let's go to the Apple Watch, open applications, and in applications, we want to go to Photos. And in Photos, here you can see we have an album called Recents. I'm going to scroll. Oh, I took this picture of my dog. I'm going to again use the share icon and then scroll down to see create watch face. Click on that. So again, you have two options. One is kaleidoscope, one is Photos. Let's go kaleidoscope. Even though it looks cool, I'm not a fan of it. So we'll go back to our Photos, use the same photo, create watch face, and then Photos, right? So again, here you can see it's my dog's photo with the time. And that is all I really want, right? So that's how we did. This is a custom watch face that I've created, as you saw. Hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has been, do make sure to like, share, and subscribe.